looks really good. I didn't really like it in the living room, so I just decided to put it in here, which is what I originally had thought anyway, so I should have just went with my gut in the first place. But I definitely love how it goes with the clay color of the bed, so we're just gonna leave that in here, and this will be the only thing I'll put in here as far as fall goes.
Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So I definitely love how this turned out. I always love sets of 3. So this is the entryway table. So I just have this on this side, and then have these things on this side. So only thing I added in here was that little pumpkin. So I just usually add a couple of things to this wall, but sort of need to go purchase some more items at like the Target dollar spot. For now, there's a lot going on this side, so I'm okay with just having a little splash of fall in this little corner. So that's pretty much all we're going to do in Ebony's room. So these are pretty much all the items that I'm not going to use or that I've taken away for fall time. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in that black bin that we took everything out, clean up this area, maybe vacuum, and then I'll show you guys around the house just quickly on how I put a couple of fall items out. Like I said, I definitely keep it minimum. I don't add a ton of items out because I get overwhelmed super easy, so I just kept it simple. But then I'll go ahead and show you guys a tour. Just want to make it quick so that way this video is not so long, but I'll just show you what I added in each room so you can just sort of see it from a different view from what I showed you earlier.
Forever, forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So for the kitchen area, I just added 3 things. I added those tiles that I got from Target, those stackable pumpkins that I got from Marshall's, and then that candle that I got from Marshall's as well. So those are the 3 things that I added to the kitchen. The next space is my desk area. So I just purchased this from Marshall's. It was in my previous fall haul video, but I added it here just because I have all my makeup in there, so it just made sense to go here. And then I added this small gold pumpkin right there. And so the next space we're going to go into is the guest bathroom. So as you guys saw, I just added these 2 Harvest Spice hand soap and lotion, and I just purchased, I think it was at TJ Maxx. Well, oh yeah, TJ Maxx. So the set was $7.99, and then I just added the Target dollar spot pumpkin, and then I added this towel, kitchen towel in the bathroom as well. And then in Eleni's room, like I told you guys before, I just added the pumpkin. I could add a little bit more, but clearly she has a lot going on in her room, so I think she's a-okay. I did add this pumpkin latte candle. Of course, we light it sometimes if she's not in her room much, but for the most part, it's just for decor. So I did add that, a little pop of orange in her bedroom, because clearly she has enough pink going on. But the next room I'm gonna show you guys is the master bedroom. So the only thing I added in here is the Hello Fall pillow. Definitely think it looks great in here, like I said before, just with the colors and everything. And then I also added this greenery. That's an old greenery. I just moved it from the kitchen to in here. So definitely feel like if you don't want to go shopping and things like that, definitely shop your house. So you can switch things around. It definitely makes the world of difference. But here I just added the pumpkin coconut candle, and then that's pretty much it for the master bedroom. And now I'm going to take you guys into the master bathroom. So in here I literally added one fall thing, but I just added the other towel that came with that set that's in the guest bathroom, and then I just added this plant that I purchased at the dollar spot. Definitely like the blacks. Now I'm adding little hints of blacks, so I just added that instead of the green plant. And then the last space I'm going to show you guys is the living room. So definitely added a ton of pumpkins here, but I'll show you guys. So I just added this white stand over here for my plant. It is growing like crazy, which is awesome. I definitely want it to vine up, but I know that'll probably be springtime-ish. But I definitely added the black pumpkin, the white pumpkin, and then I have our large white pumpkin just because that's one of our favorite scents. I want to keep it where we can smell it all the time versus in one of the rooms. Another stackable pumpkin set, and then I added that pot with that fir grass. I don't know what it's called. I think that's what it's called, but I ordered that from Amazon. But that's pretty much all I added in here. Definitely loving this little space. I feel like it's definitely more modern. My style is more modern. As I've said before, sort of modern boho, if that's even a thing, but that's sort of what I go for. I love modern looks now versus farmhouse looks, and I definitely am pretty proud of how this apartment is turning out. So the next video I'm going to be putting out is my DIY patio makeover. Let me know if you guys haven't checked out my vlog style video. I definitely did a vlog style video today, and I'll record that, and then this video will go up, like the fall haul. The fall decorate with me will go up as well, but I'm sort of trying to branch out because I feel like constantly cleaning and organizing and decorating, there's a ton of channels on YouTube that does that, and I just want to bring something more my style. I've definitely been in watching vlogging videos, so I thought I would give it a shot. So after you watch this video, if you haven't watched my vlog video, definitely go check it out, and let me know what you think. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I actually changed my channel name from Simply Neat to my actual name because I wanted to change things up and do things a little bit different, but also don't feel like I have to constantly make content as well, just because I do enjoy it. I get in a rut sometimes, but for the most part, I do enjoy YouTube as a whole. I feel like it's definitely inspiring. There's a lot of inspiring people on there, so I hope I inspire you guys in one way or another. But for the most part, that's my rant is over. But don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my YouTube family here. I know it's small, but it does mean a lot to me. So definitely give me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video so I can make more content in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.